Picks of the week.
My pick of the week is a CPU cooler that I got about a month ago. It's called the Xigmatek Gaia SD1283. It's kind of a weird name, and I'm not really exactly sure about this brand, but it's actually a really nice CPU cooler. This computer that I've now made into one of my primary machines, it had the stock CPU cooler on it. It was just ungodly loud. And this is a machine that I know that Andrew's heard through my microphone before because it's obscenely loud. Like it was like 70 decibels just when it was
very
on
loud.
because it was always on full blast, and it was just I couldn't stand to have my computer on for more than 5 or 10 minutes because the fan on this CPU was just so loud. But then I got this. This is only $20, by the way. $20, and it is amazing. It does exactly what I wanted to do. It cools my CPU, and it's also extremely quiet. And this is something that I particularly was looking for, is for something that was going to be very effective in cooling and also very quiet. And this meets both of those needs. Before, I was running a AMD Phenom 2 something in here, and it was supposed to be no more than 62 degrees Celsius. But overclocked, it was hitting like 75. I've got this in here now, and I'm actually able to use speed fan to actually reduce the speed of the fan because it's so cool. It's at maybe 33 degrees idle. It's probably less than that. It's really cool. It works with pretty much virtually all modern CPU sockets out there. All Intel Core i3, i5, i7, Athlon 64FX X2, Phenoms, Athlon, Opteron, Sempron, Core 2 Duos, all that stuff. Virtually any modern CPU socket that you have out here, this will work for it. My only complaints with this is the fact that the instructions weren't exactly the greatest. I kind of had to figure out a few things on my own because even though that they had some pictures and some words, they kind of glossed over some of the steps that were actually very important in figuring out how to put this all together. But overall, it's a very good. It does exactly what I needed to do, and it's very cheap. I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money, and this fit within my budget perfectly. It's only $20, and if you're an Amazon Prime member and you get it through our Amazon Prime account, you can actually get free shipping, which is really cool. So it's $20, free shipping, and it's one of the best CPU coolers that I've ever used.
Very, very cool, John. I'm excited for that pick.
Yeah, we'll have a link in our notes. And again, it's the Xigmatek Gaia SD1283.